A compound complex sentence is like a linguistic powerhouse, combining the best features of both compound and complex sentences. Let's break it down. First, a compound sentence consists of at least two independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions, which you might remember as fanboys, for and nor, but, or, yet so. A complex sentence, on the other hand, has one independent clause and at least one dependent clause, which cannot stand alone. Now, when we mix these two together, we get a compound complex sentence. This means we have multiple independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Let's look at some examples to clarify. Take this sentence. I was crazy about pop music when I was younger, but I'm more into jazz now. Here, I was crazy about pop music is an independent clause. When I was younger is a dependent clause because it leaves you hanging. The conjunction but connects it to the second independent clause. I'm more into jazz now. Another example is, if it rains tomorrow, bring your umbrella or you might catch a cold. In this case, if it rains tomorrow is the dependent clause. Bring your umbrella is the first independent clause, and or you might catch a cold is the second independent clause. The coordinating conjunction or links the two independent clauses. Let's try another. After the rain stopped, I went outside and I picked flowers. Here, after the rain stopped, is a dependent clause. I went outside and I picked flowers are both independent clauses that can stand alone. The conjunction and connects these two independent clauses. Now, how do you identify a compound complex sentence? Look for multiple independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. If you see a sentence that has this structure, you've likely found a compound complex sentence. The types of clauses you can use in a compound complex sentence include independent clauses, which express complete thoughts, and dependent clauses, which provide additional information but cannot stand alone. Dependent clauses often begin with subordinating conjunctions like because, although, since, or if. Understanding the rules and structures of compound complex sentences can enhance your writing significantly. They allow for more nuanced expression and can convey complex ideas in a single sentence. So remember, when you're crafting your sentences, think about how you can combine independent and dependent clauses to create more sophisticated structures. Practice makes perfect, so try writing a few compound complex sentences of your own. You'll find that they can add depth and clarity to your writing, making it more engaging for your readers.